Yes, now we can discuss about 5C, 5C programming books. 5C కాదు. So this is 5C programming books for beginners and experts. Various individuals wish to get their hands on the programming language. For them, here are the top 5C programming books, ideal for both beginners and experts, that they can learn more about this language from. Number one book is C Programming Absolute Beginner's Guide. Another, Gray, Perry and Dean Miller. This book is designed for beginners who have never written a line of code and wish to learn C programming. This book begins with the fundamentals of programming which are presented in an easy to understand manner, and then builds on that knowledge by introducing new topics in C programming. Each subject is described in detail with code examples so that you can completely grasp the concept by looking at the code rather than just reading about it. Learn C the hard way. This is another book. Other is Jed Shaw. Along with system memory, data structures, queues, stacks, and other topics, the book tackles secure coding, automated testing, debugging, breaking and hacking one's code, unlawful memory access, and many other intriguing topics. This book is aimed mostly at beginner programmers and users who have never worked with a programming language before. And then third book is for C programming for beginners, a modern approach. Author is K.N. King. In this book, C Programming, a modern approach, K.N. King walks the reader through the fundamentals and more advanced capabilities of C. This book is a fantastic place to start learning C, as well as useful refresher for people who already know the language but want to learn some advanced techniques. In the programming field, K.N. King is a well-known author. Then fourth book is for C programming for beginners in easy steps. That is now it is going on fifth edition of this book, C programming in easy steps, fifth edition. So author is Mike McGrath. C programming in easy steps, fifth edition book is a complete guide to learning C programming, beginning with the fundamentals and advancing to more advanced topics. It is appropriate for beginners as well as people who with some expertise who want to enhance their abilities. Computer Fundamentals and Programming in C. Author Rima Thareja. Computer Fundamentals. This is another book. The fifth book is Programming Fundamentals and Programming in C. Author name is Rima Thareja. Computer Fundamentals and Programming in C is a book about computer basics and C programming. The book's primary goal is to teach readers how computers function as well as how to code in C. It is also intends to educate readers on the fundamentals of C programming. This is the information regarding C programming books for beginners and experts also. Wishing you all the best. May God bless you.